There are two ways for you to be able to add team members to an RCA. The first way is by creating an RCA in the upper right corner and clicking on RCA Wizard, and then clicking on the Wizard option here. You will see a section that says Team, and if you click on the Team tab, you are able to assign out team members to collaborate together on this RCA. So for example, if I were to look up myself, and then if I wanted to add my colleague John Bartlow, I am able to do such. And then you could click on Launch Analysis. A second way to be able to edit or add or remove additional team members would be by clicking on the info over here on the left toolbar. You will also see the team tab right here, which will show the current team members on there. So if I wish to add another user that I forgot to add initially, I could go ahead and do so. You also have the option to click on the X to remove any team members. And you can also transfer ownership of the RCA by clicking on these arrows right here and do such.